Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 11th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $5.25. That's 2.75%, closed at 195.97. Post-market, we are down by 32 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have a nice green candle right here. We are still part of this downward channel right here. So yes, yesterday was a great day. The stock went up 7%. Today, 2.75%. This is fantastic. The stock is now in a bull trend. No, it's not in a bull trend. Only a couple of candles is not a trend. So no. If your drunk friend is sober for a couple of nights, it doesn't mean that he has changed his ways. Tesla is not yet ranked to be bought on the daily chart because it could be coming back down and respecting this downward resistance next week. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, so this is the first candle of the day right here. So we opened a little bit lower, came up quite high, then second candle, things looked like they could have been coming down, but no, it recovered at the third candle. Fourth is the one that brought the price to 195.08. And then that was broken at 130, then came back down. So basically, you see how the stock is hesitating right here close to this resistance. It has not really broken it. If we are splitting here, then maybe we can say, yes, it broke it. This is not a clean big break, and that's only on the 1 hour charts. On the daily chart, we are close to the resistance. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet. If we have a break here on the daily next week, then that break is not to be trusted that much. It could go back up to here even, and then it could come back down like it did right here at the beginning of November. You need to take that into consideration. So let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 31, very low. RSI, very low. MACD, bearish. Everything is bearish yet. The bullish trend has not been established yet. So let's just be a little bit more patient. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.